Okay, so this laptop has now again blacked out. Nothing will happen. I just reinstalled the Windows like 10 minutes ago, 10-15 minutes ago, and because I'm about to send this laptop for the repair. When I tried to start it today, it did start, and I used it for some time, and then again this black screen showed up. So since the box is on the way, so I thought maybe I should just refresh the window and send them a clean laptop that doesn't have my data in it. So I just reinstall the window. The moment I try to install uh, Google Chrome browser, it just gave me the blue screen of death error and showed that it has run into a problem, and it said that the laptop will restart. It did restart, and this is how it's restarting now. It's a black screen, keyboard lights are on, fan is running, but there's nothing. Let's try pressing a few buttons in a hope that maybe it will start or do something, but nothing. And this is not the first time it's happening. The laptop has showed this issue since yesterday for like fourth time now. I have to hold the power button down to make it force a restart. So let's do that. Yeah.